had gotten 108 one time.
108.
Now I got a couple more this time.
Okay.
109?
Yeah.
I think I got a
It's
little
close.
bit
Well,
more.
there's some pelicans too.
There's 100 plus.
Yeah.
110, 120.
You got
I got 13. At this particular point, yeah. I mean, there's some flying in and out there.
You guys might want to do this.
It's kind
You
of
guys
funny.
let me know what sunset day you want to go out, because any day but Thursday or Sunday, I can go.
Wasn't
Is that a
it
little snowy
Shelly
just
just
ran in
flew
there?
Or snowy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Was that a snowy just flew in?
Yeah, that was a
I
snowy.
It was
didn't get
snowy?
a chance to see it.
I didn't get a snowy.
You don't have any snowies yet?
Nope.
Yeah, see, you're going to get so many more birds if we come out later in the day.
Yeah, it changes from hour to hour.
Yeah.
2, 3 grids.
Is there a little blue herons thing there, or is that a double cluster?
I got at least 6 white egrets. Saw a cormorant up there. Let's see.
How many?
And there's some more wood storks.
Fish crow. There was a oh, I forgot.
Not great light today for us. Yangled flash.
See if I can get those juveniles. You see them there, Nancy?
Yeah.
So we got the south end here. Now as I come in around the corner here, you're going to see a lot of wood storks up on this corner and quite a few in the nest.
Yeah.
Like yellow.
Okay, this is southwest corner, right?
Yeah.
The other one is the southeast corner. First ones we did.
Southwest corner.
Hey, can I get some of you guys to stand a little more in the middle of the boat so I can level this up a little bit? Oh, yeah.
The middle or the other side? Yeah.
Yeah.
How many? 9?
Daddy English boat.
How many immature wood storks did you see?
I had 12 right here.
12 right there.
12.
There was 12?
Wood
That's
storks,
right.
yeah. And the pelicans, I saw about 5.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, one gray blue down there. There's quite a few juvenile pelican up there on the left.
Massive bugs over there. Yeah, these are all adult.
You guys getting the
Yeah.
count on the juveniles on this side?
I got the wood storks.
At the vulture.
Brown pelicans, there's adult, right?
White duck down
Yeah.
or something.
But he was in the back there. Oh wait, no, I can still see him. He's
There's
right
a great
Do
grad
we
up
have
there.
an
Oh,
English?
there he is.
There's
Now I see
there's
it.
one up
Yeah.
there.
There's one up here
There's
too.
3 in Angus I can see right now.
Well, what I saw was anything like that. I saw something really
Two or three Grady grads.
Is that in addition to what you told me
baby
before?
pelican.
We're going to have to get back over it. I might have to have you guys go forward and back to get back over
Yeah,
it.
that's pretty.
It's still going out.
Wow.
A night heron?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have several black crowned night herons.
It's
So.
on a
Oh yeah,
store,
where do you see those?
walking.
Under the mangrove?
Yep.
Is it black crown or yellow crown?
Wait a minute, there's a white-headed
I
bird.
see
What
3
is that?
magnificent frigate birds.
Is that a swallowtail kite there? With the white head and the black body?
No. Yep, that's a juvenile frigate bird.
Oh, that's a juvenile frigate bird. Right up there's a tree right here. You can
Yeah,
see the
there's
white
3
head.
of 'em.
Spot the white head.
I think
One
that
bill up there?
Yep. All the way at the end.
Probably.
The last tree. In there with the
Just kind of
cormorant.
sitting still. Oh, the white-headed one?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you got it? Because I can't stay in here too
Yes.
long.
Yeah.
Still got an
Yep.
outgoing tide.
Go for it.
I'm going to try and sneak back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm looking at other people's photos. That's what they look like.
Oh. Which one are you looking at?
The one, there's
David,
3
great
that are
head
together
anyway.
on
Yeah.
the left.
Okay.
Hard to tell, huh?
Yeah.
A little bit of white.
Yep. Well,
Looks a little grizzly.
yeah.
Still a little bit, it still identifies them, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much.
Just try sticking his head. I have
So we're gonna do errands yet? We got a tripod, right? Let's do that.
What's really sad is I think I lost the ibis.
to really.
Because they're always doing projects on this darn island too late in the season, and I've yelled about it forever. And Deb Drum, who's great, but they came out and sprayed herbicide in December.
Oh no.
Because Ricardo gets on it every year in December. And the ibis, actually, it was funny because for about 2 weeks I watched them come in like they do every night. And then they went, you know how you're driving someplace and you drive there all the time and you kind of forget and you're driving there anyway?
Yeah.
That's exactly the way they acted. They kind of flew in, made their turn to come in, they went, oh, that's right, we're not going to the interior, and they want to get rid of the apple vine. And Deb, I was mad at Deb when they did it, but she's really been one of the best people I've had to deal with in the county. But I said, you know, the funny thing about that apple vine is it wasn't there until we cut down the Australian pines. Now we cut down the Australian pines and now we have to come out and spray herbicide for the apple vine.
Look what I have this.
Yeah, those are juveniles.
Boy.
But I'm concerned because it was the best thing I had to show when they're nesting.
Yeah.
We come out here at sunset and there were 1,000 ibis come in here to roost. If there was nothing else, it was. What was the last thing you said? Boy Scouts. That's what everybody calls it, Boy Scouts.
Oh, okay. Boy Scouts.
But tell me again, you're really not
Make any difference? This is Martin County's Bird Island.
Bird Island in Martin County, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see if you got it.
Did you guys see anything on the wall on the other side? I didn't.
No. No.
Oh yeah, Schooner Oaks. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, they moved over to Summerfield now. I wonder how they like it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's more than one thing to think about. Yeah. But I wish seems to have something that, you know, opposes it. You know, I mean, okay, maybe it's okay for now, but
That's about as close as I can get you guys. I hope you can see it okay with the binocs.
Yeah.
oh, wow. Did you get pictures of that?
Yeah, we got the kayaks. I mean, we
I
can.
see one great blue heron too. Did anybody get him?
Yeah, I started.
Okay.
How many
Stuff in the middle there.
Yeah, those were all
I'm sorry,
juveniles,
two baby
too.
pelicans in the middle there. Did you get those?
Yeah.
two immatures?
I'm doing Grady Guts right.
There's, I think there's some baby vultures there.
There are.
Or juveniles.
One just flew down onto
What the black vultures?
They're not all juveniles.
1, 2, 3, 4. I see 6, 7. No, 8. No, just more. 8. They come up to 8. Let me just see. 11.
The mullet just flew out over the water over there. Two more leaves for at least. What about that little one over there? Yeah, that one's
Sometimes the crickets believe that.
another white ibis flying in. How many brown pelicans do you see on that island, that part of the island?
This one?
Just
Where
roughly.
we just were?
Yes.
I'll come back down if we need to count the pelicans again.
I can get a quick count here before you're moving.
I know there's a few juveniles in there.
Yeah,
juveniles.
1, 2,
Did you say maybe like 50? Maybe more.
I'll just
I got too immature.
I've been back a while. Crystal,
Yeah.
7 rose games, I think.
7 roses?
Yeah, they're flying over. Here, take a look.
No.
So we have a local place.
Jen told me there's something.
They're down at, back up at STA1. That's cool.
That was sweet.
This guy that said he's about to go up on a sandbar.
We don't know where they.
They went to go, they were going to find him.
Crystal, too glossy, ibis.
Too glossy?
Yeah, on the sandbar right in front of us.
Well, let me go check that out. Because I've never seen a glossy out here.
Well, take a look. Tell me what they are then. Too dark ibis.
Tricolor.
Should we count on the way back, or that's it, just a one-way thing?
That's with the Captain Nancy, I think, really.
Very little water around that.
Look like
That's
it.
where you're going at night now. The Catalina left the island and the ibis seems to go in there too. Yeah, it's lushing. Great. And there's no shoreline here. Oh, are there little heads up? Oh, yeah. So I think that's where the Catalina goes. They're nesting now instead of Bird Island after we chase them off. And I think that's where my ibis went. And at night when I drive home from the sunset up there, I see them all heading.
Get that pelican,
I
John?
also think that when
Just
they
dove in the water? This is yeah. Yeah, it's very nice. It's all grassy and everything, and they got picnic area.
Yeah, it's nice.
Picnic area that everything, yeah. See the little pavilion there. It's small, it's not big, it's not big. But I know that's really cool. This is a good.
I'll be like spending a lot of money. So I ate a lot of animal food lately. It is amazing. I loved it. I went out there too. They have, they have manatees there. That's what a manatee do.
You see it?
The leaves are,
Yeah, off to the right a little bit here.
yeah.
It's flying.
Alright, let me get off. I'll do this later.
You still working on it?
No, it was just counting it all, putting it together.
Oh,
That was what I was doing.
At high tide, it's crystal clear because all the ocean water pushes in. So yeah, for low tide, that's pretty good.
I get